Hello, my name is Denise Esbach-Moore, and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my floral fantasy earrings. These earrings are created using some of the new glass beads just added to the website. These beads are called millefiori. The tools you will need to create this project are round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search floral fantasy earrings. We are going to cut an 8.5 inch length of 22 gauge wire. I always trim my wire a little bit longer. I have found that when you make your wire a little bit longer when creating wire wraps, the wraps come out cleaner. So we're going to string our millefiori teardrop right about there, and we're going to bend the wires upward. So it looks like that. We want to make sure there's a little bit of movement at the top of the bead. Then we're going to turn it on the side. We're going to grab our round nose pliers, and we are going to make a bend. Then flip it around. Coming back in on the other side, we are going to make another bend. And now we're going to flip it over, and we are going to squish those wires together and hold it with our round nose pliers. And then using our fingers, we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Then we're coming back in with our wire cutters. We're just going to trim off that little end. And then we're going to come back in with our chain nose pliers and flatten the wire down. Now we're going to string our tube millefiori. We're going to string that right down. Find a side that you like. We are going to form a wrapped loop. So the pliers are butted up against the bead. We are going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, and then bend the wire back. We're going to flip it around, and we're going to line that up. And then using our hands, we're not going to use the chain nose pliers because it will mar the wire. So we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to come back in, we're going to straighten out our loop a little bit. And we're going to grab the wire and we're going to bring it down. We're going to hold it with our thumb. We're going to wrap it around the base. 1, 2, 3. We're going to come back in with our wire cutters. We're going to trim that little end, get our chain nose pliers, tap that little end down, come around to the front. We're going to straighten it out. I like to always flatten out my loops. Now we're going to attach the ear wire. Ear wires are open the same way as a jump ring. we're just going to bend the wire back. And then you close, open, close. You never want to pull it apart. So let's open that. We attach our ear wire. And then we're just going to close it. Let's make sure that loop is nice and straight. And there you have it, how to create my floral fantasy earrings using the new millefiori glass beads just added to howcraftcollection.com and 22 gauge wire. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.